dear students, today the topic of the class is number system. Subject is digital electronics. In this class, I will be explaining about binary to octal conversion, octal to binary conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion and hexadecimal to binary conversion. And finally, how to convert hexadecimal to octal, octal to hexadecimal. We will be saying these topics in this class. Let us start the class. The first topic is binary to octal conversion. So, when you are doing binary to octal conversion, you have to do grouping of 3 bits. So, the given question is this one. You have to start grouping of 3 bits. So, from this dot, you have to traverse in this direction while grouping, and you have to traverse in this direction while grouping. Okay, so let us group the 3 bits, these first 3 bits, then these next 3 and next 3. From here we have to start. So, group of 3 bits, and then group of 3 bits, and it is having only 2 bits. So, you can add 0 to it here. Okay. So, you can get the answer as, so this is a binary number and you have done grouping of 3 bits. So, what is 000 indicates? So, here we can add 1 0. So, it becomes, let us start writing the group from here. 011. What is 011? 3. 001. 001 is 1 in octal. 110. 110 is 6. 110 is 6. 001 is 1. Dot 000. 000 is what in octal? 0. 101 in octal it is 5. 111 it is 7. 001 it is 1. So, what we got? After grouping of 3 bits, we got it as an octal number. So, what is given to us? We are given with binary number and we have converted it into octal number. Okay, coming to the next question, start grouping 3 bits. So, you have to traverse in this direction, in opposite direction from the dot you have to traverse. So, we have made group of 3 bits, next 3 grouping, and here you are left with only 2. Okay. So, from here first 3 bits, next 3, and here you are left with only 1. So, you must every time have a group of 3 bits. So, what we can write it here? I am writing one more step for your clarity. So, I can write here, it is only single digit, but we must have group of 3 bits. To write 001, we can add 2 more zeros before it. Okay. Then 011, next group is 011, next group is 011, next one is 110 dot 110, 010, then next 100. You are left with only 2 here, so you can add 0 here. Okay. So, what it is now in octal? 001 is 1, this is 3, and here it is 6 dot, this one 110 is 6, 010 is 2, 100 is 4, 110 is again 6. So, what is it as an octal number? So, what is the answer? I write it as I have written 1336.6246 in octal. Okay. 133.6.6246. Okay, coming to the next question. Start grouping of 3 bits from here. You have to traverse in opposite direction from this 3, 3, next 3, and you are left with only 2 bits here. 3, 3, and here 3. So writing the bits here, this is 111, 110, 001 dot 100, 110, 011, and we are left with 01. So we can add here 0. Okay. So for this 3, for 111, what is an octal number? 7. 110, 6. 001 is 1 dot 100 is 4. 110 is 6. 011 is 3. 010 is 2. So this is an octal number, 761.4632. In this way we have to convert binary to octal. Coming to the next topic, octal to binary conversion. So here octal numbers are given. You have to express each octal number in a group of 3 bits. So what is 7 in binary? 111. 3 is 011. 6 is 110. So this is our binary number. So represent each octal digit by group of 3 bits. Coming to the next question, 7. 7 is represented by 111, 6, 110, 1, 001, dot, 4, 100, 6, 110, 3, 011, 2, 010. This is our binary number. Okay, 761. Now coming to the third question, represent 3. 3 is 011, 1, 001, 6, 110, 1, 001, dot, 0, 000, 5, 101, 7, 111, 1, 001. This is our binary number. So you can verify it. This one, 761.4632, which we got it here. 111, 110, 001 dot 100, 110, 011, 01. So here we have done binary to octal and here octal to binary. In this way also we can verify our answer. Coming next topic is binary to hexadecimal conversion. In binary to hexadecimal, make group of 4 bits traversing in these directions. So combination of 4 bits. Like this. Here we are left with 3 digits, so you can add 0 to here. So what is the answer? So here if you add 0, what it will become? 6. It will become 6. And then 011. 011 is 7. We have to write their hexadecimal numbers now. 0001 is 1. Dot 0001, it is 1. 0111, it is 7. 1001, it is 9. So this is we have converted to hexadecimal number. Now coming to the next one, this question 110. Make group of 4 bits for this one, next 4, and then this one. Here we are left with 3 bits, so we can add 0 here. Here 4 zeros. So let me write that 00 10 1101 1110 dot 1100 1010 01110. Okay, now what it is? This is 2. So you know the numbers. 11. What is A? A is 10. 10. That is 1010. 11. 1011, which is known as B. 12. 12 is 1100, C. 13. 1101, D. 14. 1110, E. If all are 1, it is F, that is 15. Okay, now? So here we got 1101. 1101 is D. 1110 is E. Dot 1100. 1100 is 12. 12 is C. 1010, 10, that is A. 0110, that is 6. So we have converted this binary number by grouping of 4 bits and then writing their appropriate hexadecimal numbers, their respective hexadecimal numbers. Going to this third question, group of 4 bits, one group, second and third. In third group you are left with 101, so you have to add 0 here. 4, here 4 and here 1 is left. So you have to add 3 zeros before it. So let me write the number again. 0001, 4 ones, 0001 dot 1001, 1001, 101. So add 1 0 to it. As it's a group of only 3, we have to add 1 more. So what is the hexadecimal? This is 1. 4 ones is F. 0001 is 1 dot 1001. 1001 is 9. 1001 9. 1010 10, that is A in hexadecimal. So we have converted binary number to hexadecimal number. Okay, coming to the fourth topic, hexadecimal to binary conversion. So when you are doing hexadecimal to binary, write each hexadecimal number in a group of 4 bits. 6. 6 is 110. 6. 7. 111. So add 0 to it. 1. 1 is 1. 0001. Dot 1. 000. 1. 7. 0111. 9. 1001. This is the binary number. So we have converted hexadecimal to binary by writing each hexadecimal in a group of 4 bits. 2. 0010. D. D is 13, that is 1101. E. E is 14. 14 is 1110. Dot C. C is 12. 12 is 1100. A. A is 10. 1010. 6. 0110. In this way we can do the conversion hexadecimal to binary. Now coming to the third question, 1F1. So 1, write 1 in 4 bits in a group of 4 bits. 0001. F. F is 41. 1. 0001 dot 91001, 91001. A is 1010 in binary. So in this way we can convert hexadecimal to binary conversion. So here what we have seen? We have seen binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. Okay, and then octal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. So these are the 4 topics we have covered. Hexadecimal to octal conversion. First question is the A72E. This is a hexadecimal number. Write each hexadecimal number in a group of 4 bits. So I have written A. A is what? 10. 10 is 1011. 7. 7 is 0111. 2. 0010. E. E is 14. 1110. Okay. Now after writing this hexadecimal number to binary, we have make group of 3 bits traversing in this direction. Okay. So let me group 110, 101, 100, 100, 011, 010, and we are left with single 1. So we can write 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110. Okay. So what is that answer? So we have written binary number and then grouped it in a group of 3 bits traversing in this direction. Okay. So now write its octal number. 001 is 1. 010 is 2. 011 3. 100 4. 101 5. 110 6. So this is what we got as an octal number. So we have converted hexadecimal number to an octal number. So first write each hexadecimal number in a group of 4 bits and then make group of 3 bits, and then for each group write their corresponding octal numbers. Okay, now next question. Dot D585. This is hexadecimal, you have to convert it into octal. So 0 is written as, we have to write in a combination of 4 bits, group of 4 bits. Dot D. D is what? 1011. F. F is 4 ones. 8. 1000. After 8, 5. 5 is what? 0101. Now you have to make grouping. For this grouping, you have to go in the reverse direction. So you have to move in this direction while grouping of 3 bits. So this 3, next 3, next 3, next 3, next 3, and here we are left with only 1. Okay, so we can write it as 000.101 111 and again 111 000 010 and 1. So add 2 zeros to it. Okay, so you can write it as 0 dot, this is 5 7 7 0 2 and 4. So this is our octal number 0.577024. We have converted octal to hexadecimal to octal number. How to do hexadecimal to octal? So first we have to convert it into binary, and from binary we have to do to octal. So here group of 4 bits and then group of 3 bits to get the hexa to octal conversion. Coming next, octal to hexadecimal conversion. So octal to hexadecimal, first write each octal number in a group of 3 bits, binary digits. 2 is written as 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, 7, 1, dot, 3 is 0, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 0. So, we have written this octal number in a group of 3 bits, and then you have to make pairing of 4. You have to traverse in this direction. Okay, so make group of 4, this is one group, and here you are left with only 2 digits, and here group of 4, here 4, and you are left with 0. So what is that? You have to write a group of 4 bits now. 4 zeros. Here it is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 dot 0 1 1 0. You can add 2 zeros to make a group of 4 bits like this. So 4 zeros is 0, 1 0 1 0 is 10, that is A. 0 1 is 7 dot 0 1 7, 1 0 that is 8. So what's the answer? A7 dot 78. This is the hexadecimal number. So how to do the octal to binary, octal to hexadecimal number? Octal number is first converted to binary. We have to write it in a group of 3 bits and then change this binary to hexadecimal by grouping 4 bits. By that we can get octal to hexadecimal conversion. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck students. Thank you.